Good morning, children. How are you? And today we are going to see Unit 2nd, that is 8th Standard Geography, second lesson, that is Weather and Climate. Are you ready? Okay. Children, all take your books, then only you can pronounce the word. Okay, every time I am saying that whenever you are attending the online classes, seeing the classes, you have verify your book along with the notebook. Okay, I'll start the lesson now. Here in this lesson, we are going to see about weather and climate. Before this, in the introduction, they would have given a small thing, that is the story introduction. Understand? Yukta, she was a girl. She lived in India. Okay, that is in Dharmaburi district, that is in Tamil Nadu. She is in Tamil Nadu, and during May, she wore the cotton clothes. Usually in Tamil Nadu, the people we are wearing cotton clothes only during May. Woolen potukroma, sweater potukroma, scarf ellam kattrama, not at all. Okay, so during the month of May, usually we'll wear the cotton clothes and the soft cloth, and will drink. Her mother gave her watermelon, the fruits will take, and more water, what we can say, milk, then porridges, kanji mari mummy kudupanga, then buttermilk, more nama kudipom. During this time, nalla chillana juice will drink. Like that, this Yukta, avaloda mummy enna pandranga, she gave her all these types of this cold thing to Yukta during the month of May, because the month May it will become very hot. Okay, at the same time during the month of May, this Diya, she is living in Auckland. It is in New Zealand. Anga eppadi irukku appdin ketta full cold weather. Okay, the same month in India, Yukta is living in India, and the same month Diya is living in Auckland, that is New Zealand. There they experiences cold climate, winter season. So she is wearing woolen clothes. Okay, she'll drink hot tea, hot beverages, coffee, like that. She'll used to drink, and what soup, sandwich, and the other type of food and drinks she'll take. So what I am going to say is, the same month will be, the climate will be experiences, that is varies. The climate varies from different parts of the world. The same month in India will feel summer. The same month, that is May, in New Zealand, Australia, those areas, they'll feel winter. So we are having this Christmas. For an example, we can say, when we are having Christmas in India during the month of December, the next month 25th December, we are going to celebrate Christmas. Here in India, we are celebrating Christmas during winter season, but this Diya, who she is in New Zealand, she'll celebrate the Christmas during the month, that is in winter, that is summer season. Okay, December inge winter season abdin sonna, in New Zealand it will be summer season. Okay, namma Christmas winter la will celebrate Christmas during winter season, and in that area they'll celebrate this Christmas in summer season. So because of what? Because of the climatic condition, climate and weather. So this weather and climate, it experiences, it varies different parts of the world. Okay, can you able to follow? Now, so hence we should know that what are the what we can say, what the weather and climate influences man's life. நம்மளோட ட்ரெஸ்ஸு, the dress items, the food habits, what we are drinking. During summer season, we'll take juice, drinks like that. during winter season we'll take coffee and tea இல்லை ஹாட்டாக நம்ம எடுத்துப்போம். ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸ் அப்படி தான், ஃபுட் அப்படி தான். சம்மர் சீசனில் சில்லுன்னு நம்ம சாப்பிட பிடிக்கும். வின்டர் சீசனில் எது சாப்பாடுலேருந்து எல்லாமே எப்படி இருக்கணும், சூடாக இருக்கணும். இட் ஷுட் பி ஹாட் இல்லை. ஸோ ஆல் தீஸ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்சஸ் திஸ் climatic and weather condition. So in this chapter we are going to see about this weather and climate. What all the elements it affected weather and climate, and what are all the characters of weather and climate, and what are the measurement, what instrument we are using to find out the weather and climate. Okay, shall we start? Okay, now first one is weather. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at any place in regard of sunshine, temperature, cold cover, cloud cover, wind, fog condition, air pressure, humidity, precipitation, and such other elements. So because of all the elements we can find out the weather, climate. Weather means weather we can say for a short period of time, a day. We should say the day, ஒரு டே. இப்போ கிளைமேட்டே நல்லா இல்லை, இன்றைக்கி climate நல்லா இல்லை, today's climate is bad. We should not like that. We should not say like that. Today's weather condition is bad. Today's weather condition is very hot, like that. So a particular period of time, that is a short period or a day or even a month too we can say. Okay. ஸோ இந்த ஷார்ட் பீரியடை சொல்கிறது தான் த வெதர் கண்டிஷன். ஷார்ட் பீரியட் லைக் அ டே, அ வீக் அண்ட் அ மந்த். ஓகே, அண்ட் திஸ் வெதர் கண்டிஷன் வில் சேஞ்ச் ஃப்ரம் டைம் டு டைம் ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் ஃப்ரம் பிளேஸ் டு பிளேஸ். வெதர் கண்டிஷன் வில் சேஞ்ச். இப்போ சம்டைம்ஸ் ரெய்னி மழையே இங்கே மழை இருக்கும், நம்ம முத்தமிழகர்லாம் வி கேன் என்ன ஃபேஸ் இப்போ ரெயின் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், in Anna Nagar area, if we make a call to anybody, to our relation, those who are living in Anna Nagar, they will say, no, here we don't have any rain, like that they will say. So this weather இங்கே ரொம்ப ஹீட்டாக இருக்குது, it's so summer, like summer அப்படின்னு they will say. Okay, so the weather condition, it varies from place to place and time also, understand. And what we can say, this weather during summer season, the clouds will be clear, clearer இருக்கும். And during winter season the clouds will be மேகமாக இருக்கும் இல்லை. We can see the clouds on the sky. Okay, similarly the weather will be cool in winter season and very hot in summer season. This is very important. You have to know what is weather. So weather condition is a what we can say, cool in winter season and hot in summer season. It is a particular temperature of a particular day or a week or a month we can say. That is a short period of weather we can say. So this is about weather. ஒரு குறுகிய காலத்தை if we says, it should என்ன called as weather condition. Okay, and sometimes in television also, for an example, you can see news எல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்ட பிறகு after the news, the end of the news, they will say, now today's weather report அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. every day they will say the weather report. Today climatic condition சொல்கிறாங்க, not at all, understand. And you should not, today the climate is very bad, we should not say like that. The weather is bad, the weather is chill, the weather is very hot, like that you have to say, understand. Okay, and because of the bad weather condition, the cricket matches, what we can say, cancelled, it was postponed to some other day, like that the news reporters will say. Can you கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Have you heard about this? So for a short period of time we should say it as weather. Okay, we'll pass on to climate. Climate is referred to define the average condition of a weather of a place or a region we can say, and it should say for a long period of time. Weather என்ன சொன்ன, short period சொல்றது, short period is called as weather. What we said is weather. And climate, long period. long period, we should say it as climate. Understand? And during the elements weather and climate or sometimes the climate and weather will be same, and the climate does not change often the weather. So the climate, it won't be change suddenly. The weather only will change suddenly, but the climate won't change suddenly. It will take according to the season we can change the climatic condition. Have you understand that? Okay. We'll pass on to the controlling factors of weather and climatic condition. Ennan paakalam. The angle of, you just take page number 96. Children, all take page number 96. You can see controlling factors of weather and climate. You have to know, children, the pronunciation is very important. நீங்கள் 10th எல்லாம் வந்தீங்கன்னா then only it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, I'll read out then. Angle of the sun's rays, the length of daytime, altitude, distribution of land and water bodies, location and direction of mountain ranges, air pressure, winds and ocean currents are the major factors which affect the weather and the climate of a region. So, what are the elements that affect climate as well as weather? Abdin pata, the mountainous region, the altitude, the sea, distance from the sea, and the atmosphere. Okay, all these are the sun rays. Okay, all these are the elements which affect the climate and weather condition. Okay, the earth is spherical in shape, that we all know. So the earth or the sun or the rays, the radiation of the sun, it falls on the earth slantingly in the polar region. Okay, and it is vertically on the equatorial region. This is very important. The sun rays falls on the earth slantingly on the polar region. That is why the polar region become ice. Understand, the low temperature. And the sun rays vertically, it falls over the equator. Can you able to other பயங்கர summer வெயில் நிறைய இருக்கு. Understand? And vertical sun rays in the equator, tropical region. அதனால தான் it's very hot in this equator. Understand? The difference in temperature and the air, water, because of the climatic condition, it will change. Okay. Now, we are going to see about the elements of weather and climate. What are the elements? The elements of weather and climate. First one is temperature. Rainfall. Pressure, humidity, and wind. So these are the elements of weather and climatic condition. What are the elements of weather and climatic condition? See all of you, the temperature, rainfall, pressure, humidity and wind. One by one we'll see now. Okay, first one is temperature. Temperature is one of the key element, that is very important element for weather and climatic condition. What is weather we saw and what is climate we saw. Now we are going to see about the elements of weather and climate and weather it may be. Okay, both that we are going to see the elements. What are the elements for weather and climate? What are the elements I told you? Temperature, rainfall, pressure, humidity and wind. They are the elements of weather and climate. One by one we'll see. So, first one is, first of all, the temperature is very important for weather and climatic condition. Is one of the key element. And the degree of the heat present the heat temperature பார்க்குறதுனா எப்படி பார்ப்போம்? இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு பாடி டெம்பரேச்சர், ஃபீவர் சொல்கிறோம், மம்மி எனக்கு ஃபீவராக இருக்கணும்னே வாட் மம்மி வில் சி, ஷில் பிரிங் த தெர்மோமீட்டர் டு டெம்பரேச்சர் வச்சு பார்ப்போம். ஸோ டு நோ த டெம்பரேச்சர்னா ஹீட் இல்லை, பாடியில் இருக்க ஹீட் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். அந்த மாதிரி தான் the degree of the heat present is called as the termed as the temperature. Understand? Okay. And what we can say, வேறு ஏதாவது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், the temperature varies with time due to changes of level of radiation which the earth receives from the sun. இப்போ for an example, during summer season, the sun's radiation fall vertically on India. Can you able to follow? That is why we have the summer season. But during winter season, we are in this winter season, that is rainy season. இப்போ sun's rays falls slantingly on India. Slant-ஆ இருக்குது. இப்போ ஈவினிங்கில் நம்ம பார்த்தா சன் ரேஸ் டைரெக்டாக இருக்கா, நூனில் பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்குது, ஆஃப்டர்நூன் சொல்கிறோம். அப்போ சன்னோட ரேஸ் வெர்டிக்கலி ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக நம்ம பூமி மேலே, எர்த் மேலே இருக்குது இந்தியாவில். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஸோ அதனால் வி ஆர் ஃபீலிங் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் வெயிலாக இருக்குது. பட் டியூரிங் திஸ் சீசன் த சன்ஸ் ரேஸ் fall slantingly on India. Understand? So we are facing winter season. Can you able to follow? So due to the motion of the earth, that is why this is happening, because of the motion of the earth, that is the rotation and the revolution. Can you able to follow? The degree of temperature, the degree of heat is called as temperature. And the heat எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால், because of the sun rays. இதெல்லாம் very important for temperature. Sun rays fall ஆகிறது on the earth, and the movement of the that is the rotation and revolution of earth. This is very important for temperature. Next என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, the temperature influences என்ன evaporation, condensation and precipitation. These are very important. And also the heat energy from the solar system, the solar radiation received by the earth in three mechanisms. What are they? There are three mechanisms. What are the three mechanisms? அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, first one is radiation, and the second one is conduction, and the third one is convection. So these are the three mechanisms of temperature. Can you able to follow? Okay. Now next one in a temperature பார்த்தோம். Next one என்ன இதிலே, the factors affecting the distribution of temperature. எப்படி distribution என்ன? It is giving each and every places the temperature will be vary, that is differences, because of the altitude, latitude, nature of land, ocean currents, prevailing winds, slope, shelter, mountain areas, the land, the plateaus, the river, the distance from the sea, the atmosphere. Understand? All these are the factors which affecting the climatic, the distribution of weather condition. Understand? We'll continue in the next class. Okay.